Hi everyone, I'm Caleb Gunn, award-winning stockbroker and a trader. Now, today I want to share with you, about Hong Kong stock market. Now, a lot of people has been asking me what stock to buy in Singapore, because Singapore have very limited stocks, There are only a few stocks that you can look at, especially those uptrend stocks. But what about Hong Kong market? Now, Hong Kong market recently, has been very bullish, This is because China market, is a really big market, So we has been looking at this Hong Kong market for the past few months, and then we have spotted, some of the good trending stocks that I'm going to share with you about three Hong Kong stocks that is uptrend currently that in my watch list. So basically, a lot of people, mention to me is that, hey, Hong Kong, what currency, they need to trade, how many lot size, they need to buy, it's too far away, then they give all kind of the excuses, all right. So at the end of the day, they feel that it's too troublesome, so end up they don't trade Hong Kong market stocks. But for me, which market can make money, I will go to which market. So at the end of the day, if you can make profit from this market, then that is the market that you should look at. So there are three stocks that I want to share with you. This stock is has been in my watch list for the past few months already. So it has been pulled back for quite some time, but recently, based on our art trading system, the bottom master actually show that there is a signal, for the entry. So come over here. I want to show you these stocks. All right, Xiaomi, the symbol or the code number is 1810. 1810. So if you look at the chart, the chart, since November, it has been moving up slowly, all right, and then pull back, okay, and then in the beginning of the May period, the price start to recover, and it has recovered pretty fast during that time, and then in August period, it start to pull back again, and then there is a bottom what we call that signal, all right, for the entry level before the price spike up from around $14 30 cents to as high as around $27. So that would be equivalent to around, let me see, around 80%, all right, 80%, okay, from August to September, which is very short period. Then since then the price start to pull back, and it show the signal of the bottoming, all right, and then recently this few days it start to recover, from the price at around $19.19. So this is one of the stock, my favorite Hong Kong stock that I have been watching, and it is still in my watch list. All right, the price have not moved yet, although it's slightly moved up, but it haven't moved yet. So I still think that there's a chance for this stock price to move up further. Okay, so another stock that I want to share with you is leaning. Leaning stocks, has been uptrending, and if I change position trade, all right, so if you look at the position trade, the buy signal started to appear here in July, and then after the buy signal appear, the price start to recover, and then move up slowly, and then it pull back again at around $31, $31. So if we take a look, okay, what is the percentage, okay? So that was around 61%, okay, for leaning, and the leaning code is actually 2331. 2331. So these are the stocks that I have been watching. All right. So like what I mentioned, so I'm always look at the uptrending stocks. Okay, because I believe that trends following is the way to catch the big trend. Okay, once you catch it, all right, and what you need to do is that you just need to hold until the trend has ended. So currently it's still good. Okay, I don't see any sign of weakness for these stocks. There's no sell arrow, there's no red candlestick. So I'm still holding on into these stocks until the trend has ended. Then I will exit all the position. So far, still good. All right. And lastly, I want to share this stock with you. All right, called Meituan. Okay. Again, Meituan is one of the best Hong Kong stocks that we has been, investing since April. So if you take a look at the chart, the uptrend is fantastic. Okay, the uptrend is fantastic. So if you take a look at the chart, all right. So like what I mentioned during the April period, okay, there was a buy signal at the price of $97, okay, 70 cents. After that, the price never stopped moving up. Okay, along the way, in June period, after April we enter already, in the June period we add another position because the price pull back, and then there is another setup. Okay, the system, okay, is actually signal us to add more position. So when you find a good trending stock, okay, please do remember is that, okay, add position along the way. All right. Now, most of the retail investor, what they do is that they will, quickly sell away and then to take profit. And when they want to buy this stock again, they feel that the price is too high. Then they don't feel like they want to buy anymore. So they spend their additional time to look for another stock, which, they will actually, waste their time again. But however, if you find a good stock, what you need to do is that you just need to keep adding the position until the trend has ended. If you take a look, all right, Meituan, okay, since April's, okay, until the recent high, okay, it went up around 192%, which is a lot and crazy, Only how many months from April, May, June, July, August, all right? Only 5 months, 192%, okay? So when the price reached at highest price, okay, it started to pull back, okay? Started to pull back, and then there was a buy signal again at around $230. All right. So if I zoom in, okay, there was a sell arrow. Okay. So this is to alert me to be careful. All right. So for us to exit, right, if we follow the system, the previous candlestick must drop, okay, below the previous day low. So for this case, however, the previous candlestick does not, okay, drop below the previous day low. So therefore we still holding on to this stock. All right, so until today, or until recently, the price reached the high price again, was around $276. So these are the few stocks that the Hong Kong market actually have. So that's why today I'm so excited. I want to share these three stocks with you. Make sure you put this stock into your watch list. And if you feel that the price, currently is too high, so again, like what I mentioned, put this uptrending stock in your watch list and wait for the pullback. Okay, by the time when the price pull back, you can consider to enter. So I hope you learned something new today, and I want to see you in the next video. Bye.